You can sleep na, Richard. You can sleep again. It's still 2 p.m. there. Ophir! Ano ba iiralin ko? Hello, Ophir! You can sleep na. You can sleep again. You can sleep again. I'm good, Ophir. And I hope you're doing good too. Kilua. Happy. Kylie. Yes, it's great to hear that we are all doing good. I'm doing great because I see your beauty. Wow. Really? Anna! Labuski! I will shout out your name, guys. Because I'm so bored. Kevin! I'm from Philippines. Guys! Nice to meet you too. Ophir, nice to meet you too. Richie! Shirochin! Naubos yung energy ko. Texas. Sino to? What? You said Richie. Yeah. Someone entered. His name is Richie. Yeah, it's not you. Your name is Richard. His name is Richie. Is that your nickname, Richie? O siya bang kumakatok? Ah, that's why. Every time at my job calls me that. Ah, Richard. In short, Richie in short of Richard. Richie is cute. Cute nickname. Richie. Richie. Yeah. So you are Richie. Richie. Sinong pipiliin ko? Richie but not rich. Oh. Hi, MVP. to sleep, but it's not it's not night here. So I need to wait. I need to wait. Yeah, thank you. Sipao ang puso ko, narito ito. Sinong pipiliin ko? Ah, oh. I'm being weird again. Start. My network is so low. Thank you, Mooney. Thank you, Mooney. Thank you so much. Ouch. Thank you,